So the Director Witness Protection Agency is hereby summoned to appear in person or through a duly appointed counsel before this court on 18th August 2026 at 10 a.m. and explain to the court the steps taken by the agency so far in implementing the orders issued by this court on 20th July 2026. Hearing adjourned to 18th August 2026 at 10 a.m. in open court.
The investigating officer holds that they need a call data request letter to Safaricom law enforcement liaison through XYZ and for Kiamaiko Maximilian Mugo of ID numbers, phone number that and that. And they received said call results. My Lord, as an advocate practicing with reasonable dexterity, I tried to send M-Pesa to the numbers that are in the affidavit. The name is Chinese. It's not.
Oh, it's not your client.
It's not my client. So therefore, it's an interesting name. It's King Shu Zhu.
So are you insinuating that we could be having a case of false affidavits? Is that what you're saying? Because politely, that is what I get you to be saying.
I'm trying to put it as a question. I was keeping, but then the import would be to have that affidavit.
It's not that simple. If somebody files a false affidavit, you know the consequences under the act.
Yeah. But you see, my Lord, the question here would be that
no, it's a good thing that you've pointed out, so that whoever is responsible over it thinks about it ahead of tomorrow, and then probably when you raise it tomorrow, I'll put it on record.
And the point.
Yes.
The point of my submission was possibly if orders to issue to Safaricom for them to come and explain, in addition to the respondents, how an affidavit, an officer, his clients would make a request and claim to get returns.
Mr. Wasonga, don't put the cart before the horse. Let's wait for tomorrow. We call these matters. Let's have the Witness Protection Agency appear, tell us their story. We get done with that. Then we can now move substantively to what you're talking about, because remember, you are impeaching an affidavit that is sworn and filed before this court in these proceedings. So that whatever action we take must be action that would lead to accountability under the law on the part of whoever may have filed it or may have sworn it, or even the source of the information. And that is where now you are leading us to Safaricom. So let's wait, come back tomorrow. The affidavits are there, you've been served. Raise the matter formally. Yes.
Your Lordship, they have subsequently informed that the orders were placed before the Director's office, whom I'm also meant to understand is also equally an officer of the court by dint of being an advocate and senior counsel in that regard. Your Lordship, they say that the said orders are consequent to several internal processes which are being conducted. However, our point of departure was that from where they stand, and Your Lordship perhaps might not go on record, that their office is independent.
Yes.
So they do not work under whatever directions, Your Lordship. I have had a look at the Witness Protection Act as well.
Yes.
In concurrence with also your orders. And Your Lordship, my point of departure with them is that by dint of Section 16, this Honorable Court can order for protection of witnesses, and in particularly, I make reference to Section 16A2.
Are they contesting the order?
They are not contesting their order. Yes, Your Lordship. So our application before you today would be that this Honorable Court then, because I cannot speak on their behalf,
yes,
be pleased to issue summons to the director of the Witness Protection Agency, whose office is established under Section 3E of the very Act. Your Lordship, the agency also has capacity
E in caps, huh?
Yes, in caps. Has the capacity of being suing or being sued, so that, Your Lordship, they can be able to actively participate in these proceedings, so that they can explain to court the very steps they have taken in regards to this matter. Finally, Your Lordship, we cannot overemphasize the public interest in this matter.
Yes.
And we even thank the court for giving us a date during the vacation for hearing of this case.
Yes.
Your Lordship, even one more day is one too many. I have just been in contact with the family.
Yes.
They are now counting almost to 2 months when they have not seen their kid. So in as much as we respect the agency in terms of their regulations and procedure under the Act, Your Lordship, it is important for Kenyans to know what steps they have taken so far in regards to your orders that you issued and were duly served, so that we can have a substantive way forward.
Okay.
Your Lordship, we are 2 hearing dates. I'm just submitting once so that I can see it. Because the effect of your orders will also affect the hearing of application 151, which we are to do tomorrow. So we ask the status on both.